Hello, welcome back to Top Fact 88. In this time, Top Fact 88 will telling you story about history of insurance in United Kingdom. If you like, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Beginnings of a modern insurance market. The UK is regarded by many to be the birthplace of modern insurance. It was in Britain that privately owned, technically advanced and international insurance companies first emerged, quickly dominant in the world's burgeoning insurance markets and remaining leaders for most of the 19th century. The first fire, accident and life insurance companies were established in the UK during the 1700s, but how they developed was to become the blueprint for insurance companies around the world. Shaped by the Industrial Revolution and Britain's role in international commerce, UK insurers were to expand rapidly, both at home and overseas. The early success of British insurers also reflected the way in which they operated. Much like the international insurers of today, they were well funded by private capital, were profit-driven and used an actuarial approach to underwriting. However, as national insurance markets matured, UK insurers began to lose ground. By the time of the First World War, they had relinquished much of their earlier dominance. British insurers continued to expand in the post-war economic and technology boom, but by the end of the 20th century they had largely retrenched to the domestic market and the growing single market of the European Union. In the post-war period, the London market became the world's leading market for complex and high-value risks. It continues to be a key hub in the global insurance industry, but a period of heavy losses and the opening of capital markets has diversified ownership and brought in foreign insurers and investors. The UK continues, however, to have more than one international insurer in the top 10 global players. The UK insurance market remains a key player on the international stage, and much like 300 years ago, the growth in global trade and the success of emerging economies are seen as both opportunities and challenges for British insurers' technical expertise and legacy of international experience. Marine insurance was first practiced in the UK in the 1500s, but developments in the 1700s and 1800s were to see insurance become an integral part of commerce and everyday life. Significantly, the UK was the first market to embrace the practice of insuring properties against fire. The first fire insurance companies were established in the 1700s, when several mutual and joint stock insurers were set up in London following the Great Fire of 1666. While there had been previous attempts to provide financial relief after a major fire, the first commercial insurance schemes were started in the decades following the Great Fire. These included the Fire Office, formed in 1696 by property developer Nicholas Barban and other investors, which is generally thought to be the first joint stock insurer ever established. Over the subsequent 2 decades, other insurers were founded that would survive in name until modern times, including the Sun Fire Office, the Union Fire Office, the Royal Exchange Assurance and the London Assurance. The first life insurance companies were also established in the UK during the 1700s, although the earliest life insurance policy is dated 1583 and covers the life of a certain William Gibbons. Life policies were typically taken out to cover loans and were subscribed to by individual underwriters. The Society for Equitable Assurances on Lives and Survivorships, founded in 1762, is believed to be the first dedicated life insurance company to appoint an actuary and conduct life insurance in much the same way as is done today. Thank you for watching Top Fact 88. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell to receive our notification. Stay safe and stay healthy. See ya.